Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Diego. Another green card K1 visa video for you out there in YouTube land. I don't give you any legal advice. I don't work for USCIS, and I'm not an immigration attorney. You don't need an immigration attorney to file for a basic K1 visa application that you qualify for, or a 2-year green card or a 10-year green card that you qualify for. You got to qualify. You can do it yourself. Save the money. This video is about documents that must be certified in order to qualify for immigration to accept them. Okay? So if you have been divorced in the past, Mr. American Citizen Sponsor, Miss American Citizen Sponsor, Foreign National, you must provide immigration certified courthouse copies of your divorce decree, or if you've been married and divorced more than once, divorce decrees. Okay? You cannot go to Office Depot or the library and make copies on those copy machines. Here's what I recommend you do. If you've been divorced, you need to get at least 5 to 6 certified copies from the courthouse of the divorce decree signed by the judge, not by the magistrate. All right? You're going to need a signed certified copy of your divorce decree for your K1 visa application, for your 2-year green card application, for your 10-year green card application, and for the U.S. citizenship application. So that's a minimum of 4 certified copies, a minimum. I say get 5 or 6 so you got 1 for backup or 2 for backup. The same applies to your marriage certificate. Once you marry your beautiful prometida from whatever country he or she came from, you're going to need to get at least 5 or 6 certified copies of your marriage certificate. Why do I say that? Because you need a certified copy signed by the courthouse, the clerk of the court. You're going to need a copy for your 2-year green card application, your 10-year green card application, and for U.S. citizenship. And in case immigration loses it, and then you have a couple of backup copies, and obviously you're going to keep the original for yourself. This also applies to death certificates or marriage annulments. Okay? If you go to a scary K1 visa interview with a copy of your American Citizen Sponsor's divorce decree that was copied at Office Depot or at the library or on his or her computer, the embassy consular officer is going to reject the papers, the divorce decree, and make you get a certified copy, which is going to slow down your K1 visa application by at least a month, maybe 2. Because you're going to be calling your American Citizen Sponsor saying, look, I need a certified copy of your divorce decree. Knucklehead, this copy from Office Depot is no good. You got it? So therefore, you're going to need to get certified copies. Divorce decrees, marriage certificates, especially if you're on a spousal visa and you're going to the visa interview. For the spousal visa, you got to have a certified copy of your marriage certificate. And it's probably going to be in a foreign country, no doubt, because, you're going to be going through the process at a foreign embassy. If you are from one of those 19 countries on a pause, I call it a pause, hang in there, don't panic. If you are from one of those 75 countries that the Trump administration has decided to block green card applications for, so they are denying you reunification with your family, hang in there. It's not permanent. Remember, we have elections. This is an election year, 2026, and you have an opportunity. I don't care what your party political affiliation is, you have an opportunity to go out and vote for people that will actually support your family reunification, who will actually support your 2-year green card, your 10-year green card adjudication. Elections have consequences, but politicians are temporary.
Are you legal to be in this country? Si, senor. Okay, I have my green card.
Karina, my beautiful wife from Venezuela, and we wish you well. We also would like to thank our members who are paid up members of this channel, $9.99 a month. Join as a member and you get my phone number and email address. You can call me, text me, send me your paperwork, let me review it to make sure you don't make any stupid mistakes. Stupid mistakes will cost you a green card denial with the Trump administration in office. Okay? Remember, USCIS is working for the White House, basically, in my opinion, in order to protect your family member from getting a green card denial. Please pay attention to details. Don't make any mistakes, especially on Form 864, the affidavit of support. Don't mess up that paperwork. Make sure you qualify for the benefit. You will get through this process, even if you're from one of those 75 countries on a block or a pause. You're going to get through this. You're going to get your family member. You're going to get reunited with your family member. It's just going to take a little bit longer, but it's going to require a lot more due diligence on behalf of the American people to make sure they elect politicians that actually support you, Mr. American citizen sponsor, watching this video, who want to be reunited with your wife or husband with a green card, or you want to marry your foreign national. I don't care what country they're from. You love somebody, you want to marry them. There shouldn't be a politician blocking you, okay? That's not the American way. It's not the American way. Remember, it was Vietnam veterans that created this K-1 visa process, because back in the day, in the 70s, politicians, once again, were blocking American GIs from reunification with their Vietnam loved ones, their wives. So this is how we came up with the K-1 visa. Military veterans. Now we have an administration that's trying to jack around with military veterans, American citizens, myself included, and it's going to pay a heavy consequence for them at the midterm elections this November. Don't forget, I do a live stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, 6 p.m. Central Time. And if you want to join as a member, like I said, sign up. You'll get my email address, phone number. I'm here to help you. I want to get you reunified with your family. I can do it. I've got 13 years experience doing this. I've been through presidents and different members of Congress and different political times, and I've never failed yet. See you at the live stream.
I'll be back. Ha! You did not gonna say that, did you?
That's what you always say.